When I started this business back in 2016, we used to look back at like 2012, 2013, 2014, the golden years, we used to call them. Like, man, it was so easy back then. If I had only got started back then. No matter when you start this business, people are always going to kind of look back and say, oh, it was so easy back then, or and you just can't fall into that trap. Comparing yourself to somebody who has been in this business for 10 years, comparing yourself to somebody who's been in this business for 10 months is not going to help you succeed. So it's not worth comparing where you are with where somebody else is. The best time to start this business is literally August of 2026. It's the best time to start this business right now, or anytime right now coming up in the next few months. Because the trajectory of where Amazon's going, where book sales are going, where this KDP business is going, it is just a rocket ship. So you are literally at the best time to start. Just because a couple people got into this business a few months earlier than you found out about it doesn't mean it's too late for you. Because if you don't jump into it now, in 6 months' time, you're gonna look at it, you're gonna be like, oh my God, if I'd only got in 6 months ago. 6 months ago is right now. So don't let your future self regret you not starting right now, because this is 100% the best time. We're not even talking about the reason that even August is the best is because we have the busiest, most profitable time of the year coming up right now, and that's holiday season of 2026. So if there was ever a time where you want to stack the deck and make success so much easier, it's starting right now.